step to Kalibo. We need to pass somebody's friend house to say hello. This is going to Kalibo, the capital. And if we go straight to Banga, and that is the way to Aklan. Sa tupad mo. Kaya ang rear mirror ya hanggang taya sa langit.
Takbo sa bagay mo. Islan. Ang granarasa.
Ano nene?
Kalibo na.
Kalibo na. Okay.
Sunod na sa Kalibo.
Okay. Dire ang ati-atihan, no? Alright. The original ati-atihan. Originated from this place. Kalibo, Aklan. Lonettes Foods. Oh, mansion man eh. Balay sa classmate mo na eh?
Lola Nancy has Lola Nancy's classmate.
Amo na eh?
You wanna go to the bathroom?
Hi. Hello, how are you? In, hindi man gali mabudlay pangitaon kaya along the highway.
Bata, may apo. Pangiyaw ng apo.
Okay. Dito. Look, balayan. Po sa balayan. Kami, classmate mo na. Along kwan lang, Chorizo lang ng business. Katahom daw na. Katahom siyang balay mo. Do. And this is the famous Lonette Chorizo pasalubong and Chorizo Bilbao and ano pa gani? This is a famous one for the tourists. They always pass by here to buy some chorizo. And these are the owner. The owner is the classmate of my wife, and it's been a long while that they haven't met each other, and this is some sort of a reunion too. This is where they have their business. Chorizo, ano pa gani me? Longganisa. Ano pa gani? Chorizo, putlong, Tocino. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. Tocino, embutido, everything famous here. Tourists drop by here to bring some pasalubong home, and they have a very, very, very successful home business. And pila na kamo katuig ng business ni? 26. Oh, it's been a while now. 26 years of successful business of longganisa. Oh my God! The only son. So this the classmate in nursing school before, in St. Anthony in Rojas City, St. Anthony School of Nursing during their college days. If you happen to come to Aklan, to Boracay, pass by here in Kalibo. Their house is very prominent along the highway, and you can see the big sign, Lonettes Foods. Okay, and you can ask any people here when you drop by here to buy your pasalubong. You can ask any people because they are famous. Okay. Noah, this house is your Mimi's classmate's house. Very big, ah? Ito na. Ito na, naga-attitude naman. Daw bantog na nga lakwan, no? Lonette. Hindi, aping mos kina yang gali. Oh. Kalibo na nini.
Kaya di kami nagyaga.
Pagkatihan.
Oo. Pumunto siya.
Kamalisan lang po sir sa dito ba kayo nasa
New Washington sila mo do ito ka Aklan. Okay. So probably next time we come back. Ang muna ni kwaon na mo. Kwaon ta.